Most people think passive income requires money, capital, investment, something to start with. And for most traditional passive income streams, that's true. Real estate requires a down payment. Dividend stocks require shares. A business requires startup costs. But here's what most people don't know. There's a category of passive income that requires zero capital to start. $0. Zero savings. Zero investment. Just time. Just skill. Just a system. Built once. Earning indefinitely. And in 2026, the tools available to build these systems are more powerful than at any point in history. AI handles what used to require teams. Automation handles what used to require hours. And the internet provides access to buyers that previous generations could only dream of. This video covers 5 specific ways to build passive income streams, starting with nothing. No money, no audience, no experience required, just the decision to start. The first way, and the most scalable, digital products. Here's why this is the closest thing to perfect passive income. You create something once, a guide, a template, an ebook, a system someone else can use. You list it on a platform, and every time someone buys it, money arrives. Without you doing anything, without you being present, without you even knowing it happened, until you check your account. Here's what makes digital products truly passive. There's no inventory, no shipping, no customer service for most products, no restocking, no physical anything, just a file. That sells. Indefinitely. The numbers. An ebook on budgeting priced at $17. Selling 20 copies a month, $340 a month. Passively. From something created in a weekend, a financial template priced at $37. Selling 15 copies a month, $555 a month. A system guide priced at $67. Selling 10 copies a month, $670 a month. None of these require ongoing work. None require capital to create. Just knowledge you already have, packaged, listed, and sold automatically. How to start with zero money. Choose one topic you understand better than most people. Budgeting. Saving. A specific skill. A process. Create a simple guide or template. Use free tools, Google Docs, Canva, Notion. Listed on Gumroad or Payhip. Both are free to join. Both handle payment processing automatically. Zero upfront cost. Zero capital required. Just time. And the willingness to package what you know. The second way. Affiliate marketing. The simplest passive income model ever created. Here's how it works. You recommend a product or service. Someone buys through your link. You earn a commission. That's the entire model. No product to create. No customer to serve. No inventory to manage. Just a recommendation. And a link. Here's why it becomes passive. When you write a blog post, or create a YouTube video, or send a newsletter that contains affiliate links, that content keeps earning. For months. For years. Every time someone finds it, reads it, clicks the link, and buys, you earn. Without doing anything new. The content did the work once, and keeps working. Indefinitely. The numbers in finance niches. Finance affiliate programs pay between $20 and $300 per referral. A single blog post ranking on Google, receiving 500 visitors a month, converting at 2%, produces 10 referrals. At $50 average commission, that's $500 a month. From one article. Written once. How to start with zero money. Choose a niche. Finance, health, productivity, technology. Join free affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Impact, ClickBank. Most are free to join instantly. Create content around topics in that niche. A free blog on WordPress.com or Medium. A free YouTube channel. A free newsletter on Beehive or Substack. Include affiliate links naturally in content that genuinely helps people. Zero cost to start. Zero capital required. Just content, created consistently, over time. First objection. These methods take too long. I need income now. Passive income isn't really passive at the start, and this is true, completely true. Passive income is not passive at the beginning. It requires active work up front, creating the product, writing the content, building the system. That work is real, and it takes time. But here's the reframe. Every hour you put into a passive income system keeps paying you indefinitely. Compare that to an hour at a job. You work 1 hour, you earn once. The hour is gone. You work 1 hour building a digital product. That hour earns every time someone buys. For months, for years. The upfront work is the same. The return is completely different. And the time it takes to build? Most people overestimate. A simple digital product can be created in a weekend. A basic affiliate blog can start ranking in 3 to 6 months. A YouTube channel with consistent output can start generating meaningful watch time within 6 months. These are not decades. They're months, with consistent effort, applied to the right system. The third way, the one you're experiencing right now, a faceless YouTube channel, no camera, no face, no personal brand, just content, delivered through voiceover, stock footage, simple visuals. And here's what makes YouTube uniquely powerful as a passive income source. Old videos keep earning. A video posted today earns ad revenue today, and tomorrow, and next month, and years from now. Every view generates income, whether you posted that day or not, whether you're working or not, whether you're even alive or not. The content earns independently of you. That's passive income. The numbers. Finance. YouTube channels earn between $15 and $22 per 1,000 views. A channel with 50,000 monthly views earns between $750 and $1,100 a month. From ad revenue alone, before sponsorships, before affiliate links and descriptions, before any other monetization, and those 50,000 views come from videos that were posted weeks or months ago. Still earning, still running, without new work being required. How to start with zero money. A phone with a microphone, free video editing software, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, free stock footage, Pexels, Pixabay, free AI voiceover, 11 Labs free tier, free script writing, your own knowledge, zero cost, zero capital, just consistency and patience. The fourth way, email newsletters, the most underestimated passive income source available today. Here's the model. You build an email list around a specific topic. You write valuable content, and you monetize through 3 channels: sponsorships, affiliate recommendations, your own products. Here's what makes newsletters powerful. The audience is yours, not rented from an algorithm, not dependent on a platform's decision. Yours. An email list of 5,000 engaged subscribers in a finance niche is worth between $500 and $2,500 a month. From sponsorships alone, before any affiliate income, before any product sales. And newsletters can be automated. A welcome sequence, a weekly send, scheduled in advance, running while you sleep, reaching thousands of inboxes, without you doing anything in real time. That's passive. How to start with zero money. Beehive, Substack, MailerLite, all have free tiers, all handle delivery automatically. Start with one topic, one email a week, consistently. Build the list, then monetize. Zero cost to start. Zero capital required. Second objection. These all require an audience. I'm starting from zero. Nobody knows who I am. And starting from zero is real. Every person who built an audience started with zero. Every newsletter with 10,000 subscribers started with one. Every YouTube channel with 1 million views started with zero. But here's what accelerates audience building in 2026. Search. Content that answers questions people are already asking gets found. Without an existing audience, without promotion, without connections. Someone searches how to save money on low income. Your article or video appears. They read or watch. They subscribe. That's one person, then 10, then 100, then 1,000. Search-based content builds audiences without requiring an existing one. It just requires patience and consistency and content that genuinely answers real questions, which you already know how to create. The fifth way, and the least known. Content licensing. Here's the concept. You create content. Other businesses pay to use it. Stock photos, stock videos, stock music, written templates, research reports, anything that businesses need regularly, but don't want to create themselves. You create it once, license it, and earn every time someone uses it. The numbers. A stock photo platform. One well-shot image can earn between 25 cents and $5 every time it's downloaded. Uploaded to multiple platforms. Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images. Each platform selling the same image. A portfolio of 500 images, each earning $2 a month average across all platforms. Earns $1,000 a month, passively, from photos taken once. Stock video earns significantly more, between $50 and $200 per clip, per download, and written content. Templates, contracts, systems, licensed to businesses that need them repeatedly. How to start with zero money. A phone camera, free editing apps, free accounts on stock platforms. Zero cost, zero capital, just the willingness to create and upload consistently. 5 ways, all starting with zero money. Way 1, digital products, create once, sell forever. Way 2, affiliate marketing, recommend, earn commissions. Way 3, Faceless YouTube, create content, earn ad revenue indefinitely. Way 4, automated newsletters, build an audience, monetize it. Way 5, content licensing, create assets, license them repeatedly. None of these require capital. All of them require time, upfront, consistently, with patience. Because passive income is not immediately passive. It's actively built until the system takes over. And then it runs. While you sleep, while you live, while you build the next one. The goal is not one stream, it's multiple streams, each small, each running independently, together producing something significant, something that doesn't require you to show up every day, something that works, whether or not you do. That's the system. Build it once. Let it run. The decision is yours.